Hi, I'm Luke, and welcome to the Three Sons Foods YouTube channel. This is our good friend and neighbor, Tanishka, and she works for a company called Virtually Verbal.
Virtually Verbal.
Yeah, that. And she's one of the head honchos, actually.
Yeah, so Virtually Verbal is a kind of a language hub that we want to expose people to a range of languages, and it's meant for fun. So we have Chinese, German, Latin, French, and we will soon be adding more.
We are going to be making a French recipe called Cordon à la bleu, but unfortunately we don't have any bleu, so we're going to be supplementing that with Diablo, with Verde.
Cordon Verde.
Yes, so first thing is the chicken.
Yeah, so we're just gonna open the chicken, if you can go ahead. Okay, great. What?
That should work, right?
So we have chicken, mozzarella cheese, ham, and then for the breading we have eggs, oregano, flour, and HTP's panko, Japanese panko bread. We also have some salt and pepper to taste. I think that should be fine. You could just peel it open now.
So what's toothpicks for?
So the toothpicks are just to hold the roll in place, which I guess we can use later. So first, before we do that, let's put the cling wrap on top of the cutting board. So we're just putting cling wrap underneath and on top of the chicken, so we can pound the chicken.
Oh, this is a very important step, so I am very excited about this.
Sure you are. Okay, so now we can put the chicken in. We're using 5 chicken breasts.
I don't know, I think
Not
5.
5.
Okay, it's time to get started then.
Oh, not yet. Wait, stop. Use another one. Sure. Okay, so let's put it on top, and now we can start pounding it till it's 1/4 of an inch thick. Great. Just make sure it's thick enough. Okay, there we go.
I think I hit it too much. Did I?
Yes.
How can you tell? I don't think I did, no.
Does this look perfect to you?
Yep. It's a good 1/4 of an inch right there.
Let's put the cheese on now. So we have to put two cheese slices on each chicken. So cheese in French is actually fromage. So this is mozzarella cheese. And then we have to put 2 slices of ham on each chicken piece. So ham in French is
Did I beat the
jambon.
chicken? Did I beat the ham too?
No, please don't. Great. So he's putting on the last one.
It's going great.
And now all we have to do is roll it to like. So I'll do the first one. Just watch me. So just roll it like this, and then after you're done rolling it,
Stab it.
like yeah. So it just stays in place. That's the point of it. Yeah.
Hi, we're back. Pair everything for a second. So this is the eggs, and this is the flour, which doesn't taste like anything. So I don't know if that's good or bad. This is the breadcrumbs.
Yep. And then we have melted butter.
Yeah, it looks like milk. This is the orangegos.
Oreganos. Oregano.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the salt and the pepper, or that might be the pepper and that's the salt. Can't really tell.
So we rolled up the chicken, the rest of the chicken, and the cheese and the ham, and now we just have to coat it. So flour comes first, but before we dip it in anything, let's just kind of season it. So you can put salt.
Is this to make the flour taste like things?
Kind of, yeah. So salt and pepper in the flour, and then we can put oregano in the breadcrumb. Butter in the panko breadcrumbs with the oregano, and then we can mix it. Take 1 piece of chicken. You can do this one. Use that one. So you're gonna dip it in the flour, and roll it around in the flour, and then twist it around in the flour. Yeah, and then put the roll into the eggs mixture, and then after that put it in the breadcrumbs.
So they put in the eggs now?
Yes. Likely. Okay.
They put in the breadcrumbs now?
Yes. So let's move this over here.
Got a little assembly line.
Yep. And now we just have to grease the pan.
It's looking pretty good.
Oil. And then I can take that and you can start or not. Okay, sure. And then once these are in the with the wrapped in breadcrumbs and all of the wrappings, you can just take out the toothpick. So we'll be back. We'll just finish doing everything and then we'll be back.
We'll put the Cordon de Verde into the oven at 400 for about 7 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So thank you. We will be back next time later on. And it's done. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. Okay. So just put it on the green mat. We go. That looks.
It's hot. Let's continue. Just ignore me.
Okay. Usually people just cut this like rolls, kind of. So we can cut it like that.
Hi, we're back, and that was a jump quiet. Oh boy, that was strange. Anyway, we're back at it again in Diablo Verde place. This is a cross section. Pretty cool.
Alright.
Here's I'm gonna spoon.
It's right here.
I'm gonna spoon. Okay, great.
So just pour it on top. And this recipe tastes really good with Diablo. Nice.
There we go. That looks good. Let me give myself some. Oh, that's hot. Looks delicious. Where'd the toothpicks go, by the way?
We took them out, if you remember. And we can just...
When did we do that?
Well, you can put extra sauce on the plate, because more Diablo is better.
It always is. It always is.
Okay. Not that. Merci
Le bleu!
beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup!